In this video, I go through the quick and easy process of replacing bad lift struts on your Toyota Sienna. Start by propping up the rear hatch with a broom, hockey stick, or stepladder. A strong friend will also work. Locate the lower mounting point of the liftgate strut, which looks like this. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, pry the retaining clip outward. Once the clip is out, give the strut a light tap to remove it from the ball joint. Here's a close-up view of the same thing. Note that it doesn't take a lot of force to remove if the clip is retracted sufficiently. Next, here's an internal view of what's happening when the retaining clip is pried out by the screwdriver. The two claws are pulled back when the screwdriver pries out the back of the retaining clip. Repeat the same process for the upper mounting point. Next, we'll install the new strut. I'll put part numbers and links in the video description below. Starting with the upper mounting point, line up the new strut hole over the ball. Then, press it firmly into place until it clicks. Now, move to the lower mounting point. If the hole isn't lined up with the ball, rotate it until it is. You may also need to lift on the rear hatch to get the hole and ball to line up. Then press it on firmly. Repeat for the other side. If this was helpful, please subscribe. Every click helps.